Hey, Mike from Dirtydog. Today we're going to show you how to install the new cargo net we have for the Jeep JT Gladiator. It just goes over the back and we got a piece for the front. So it's a pretty simple install. A couple things you got to do before you do the install is we have these brackets in your kit. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 for each side. You're going to have 8 of these brackets in your kit. And where these go into the mounting bolts on the roll bar plastic trim. So what you're going to do is you're going to take out the screw that's in there. We provided the ratchet end bit. So you're going to take your Jeep ratchet, and we provided the bit for the size of that bolt. So you're just going to remove that bolt from there. You're going to take your bracket, put the bolt through. It's a little black bracket. Put it in and tighten it up. So you're going to do that for your 1, 2, 3, and 4 positions here. So your 4 along the back. And the reason we do this is it gives you that little extra headroom in the back because the roll bars are quite low on this truck. If you're an adult, you're sitting back there, you might hit your head on the net. So we've done that, so it just pulls the net above the roll bar instead of sort of in between. So we'll get that finished first on both sides, and then we'll go into the installation next. Before we go into the installation, I'm going to just have you install the straps. Before you put it in. Just makes it easier when you're installing than trying to put the straps through. And you've got 3 different sizes in your kit. You've got the 2 longest ones, they go in the top corners. You've got your shortest ones go in the midsection here, and your medium-sized ones will go at the very bottom. And all we're doing, I'll give you a close-up on this, you're just taking your strap, you're just going to push it through the grommet. And this is the top side we're looking at here, so you can tell the top side by the Dirtydog logo. That's your top side. So you're just going to put it, so your strap's going to sit like that. And this is you got your unfinished side there and the finished side of this. So it's in position, that way when you go to install it, it makes it a lot easier. Okay, we're going to go on to the installation of the net. One would, to identify yourself, Dirtydog logo was in the bottom passenger side corner, so you know the orientation of the net. And basically the easiest way, since you've pre-placed all your straps in place, you're just going to put your first 2 straps on here, here, and then your next 2 up there. So just follow along in order. So first strap. So in order to put the straps in, so here's how our direction goes. So you're going to come around the outside of the roll bar, push it through the little bracket, feed it through the ladder lock, and don't put anything on tight. Put everything on. Just run it through an inch or 2, and leave it loose. And go up to your next one. Same thing. Pull it through. But again, that's inch or 2, and you want to keep your ladder lock out in this direction. You don't want it down here, so when you're pulling it in, your ladder lock is here. And we're going to go up to the next one. I'm going to go through and do the other side as well, and then we'll move further after that. Okay, so now that we've got both sides installed, you can go with the bottom straps here if you want, pull them, snug them up a bit, get yourself positioned, and go side to side. And the best is to look in the back of the truck and just keep pulling yourself side to side so you see it looks straight. We'll show you how to clean up the straps after. We'll do these as well. I wouldn't put them too tight at this point because you still got your front strap to put on. So now you have your front strap. So you'll see this final strap. So basically, what it's going to do is going to go over the front of the roll bar, down by a roll bar. And it's going to come up around the side, the back side here, and you're just going to tie that little ladder lock as well too. Again, put it loosely, do both sides, then you even it out after that. So basically, for the most part, I've installed. I'll go through after and look at evening out both sides of the vehicle to make sure that it looks equally on all sides. One little thing to show you, just to hide these straps, what you can do is you have this extra strap so you don't have it flapping around. These ones are easy. You can just tuck it in. You just find another slot where the strap through. Just tuck it in, push it under. Same thing on this one. Tuck it in, any one of the slots there. These ones are a little tougher. That side's a little small, you may not have much strap to do there. You can also just fold it underneath its buckle like that. Same with this one. Same thing you do, you're just gonna tuck it in, find the slot, push it through. It makes that easy. This one I find a little bit longer because you need to pull on. You can fold it underneath itself and the inside of the vehicle. Hide it that way. And that's it, that's done. We're gonna show you how to do the front piece next.